Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are diving into something truly extraordinary. Something that perfectly defines luxury, power, and exclusivity. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL. This car isn't just a vehicle. It's an experience, a statement, and a piece of automotive art designed for those who want nothing but the best. The Mythos SL represents the pinnacle of Mercedes-Maybach craftsmanship, combining breathtaking design, futuristic technology, and unmatched performance into one seamless masterpiece. So sit back, because we're going to take you through its stunning exterior, ultra-luxurious interior, thrilling performance, and of course, the price that matches its royal status. Let's start with the exterior. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL is how it commands attention from every angle. The body is sleek, sculpted, and powerful, a true evolution of the classic SL Roadster lineage, but with the Maybach touch that turns it into something far more exclusive. The front fascia features a bold and gleaming Maybach grille with vertical chrome slats that immediately assert dominance. The three-pointed star stands proud above it, while the lower bumper integrates subtle chrome accents that reflect elegance rather than aggression. The LED digital light headlamps are not just bright. They are precision instruments capable of projecting patterns and guiding beams intelligently based on road and traffic conditions. Every curve, every surface has been optimized for aerodynamic performance while maintaining that iconic Roadster profile. The long bonnet flows into a low-slung cabin, giving the Mythos SL an effortlessly sporty stance, while the retractable soft top enhances its grand touring appeal. The roof can be opened or closed in around 15 seconds, transforming it from an elegant coupe to an open-air luxury cruiser in a blink. The wheels are massive, Maybach-specific forged alloys, available in 21-inch or even 22-inch designs with polished finishes that look like fine jewelry. Along the sides, a fine chrome line runs from front to rear, subtly separating the upper and lower body, while the rear end features the signature Maybach emblem and elegantly crafted LED tail lights that appear like glowing threads of light. Moving to the rear, the quad exhausts are integrated perfectly into the bumper, surrounded by chrome detailing. Even the boot lid carries a smooth curve that enhances aerodynamics and luxury appeal. Mercedes engineers have outdone themselves in ensuring the exterior feels both futuristic and timeless, an homage to the legendary SL heritage while pushing the boundaries of what a Maybach convertible can be. Every panel and contour has been hand-finished, and the paint choices include exclusive Maybach two-tone options that use real metallic pigments for unmatched depth and shine. Now let's step inside, where the real magic happens. The interior of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL is not just luxurious, it's a sanctuary of craftsmanship, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. As soon as you open the door, you're greeted by the signature Maybach scent, soft ambient lighting, and an atmosphere that feels more like a first-class private jet than a car. The cabin is wrapped in the finest Napa leather, with intricate diamond quilting and double-stitch seams that you can feel were done by hand. The seats are sculpted for comfort and come with ventilation, massage, and heating functions, ensuring you stay relaxed even on long drives. The dashboard is dominated by the massive MBX Hyperscreen, a curved glass panel that stretches across the entire front cabin. It houses multiple OLED displays seamlessly integrated to control everything from navigation and media to seat adjustments and driving modes. The system learns your habits and preferences over time, creating a personalized experience every time you sit behind the wheel. There's also augmented reality navigation that projects directions directly onto the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road while delivering information effortlessly. The steering wheel is a piece of art itself, trimmed in leather and chrome with touch-sensitive controls. The center console has a crystal-like finish with a floating design that houses the Maybach insignia subtly illuminated beneath the surface. Every switch and button feels meticulously engineered, offering a satisfying click that reflects true quality. Even the air vents are crafted, with metal detailing inspired by turbine engines. The ambient lighting system is one of the most advanced you'll find in any car, offering 64 customizable colors with effects that sync with your driving mode, temperature, and even your heartbeat. The audio experience inside the Mythos SL is powered by a custom-tuned Burmester 4D surround sound system, delivering an immersive sound experience through speakers integrated not only in the doors and dashboard, but also in the seats and footwells. It's an audio setup so advanced it almost feels like being inside a concert hall, Passengers are treated to individual comfort zones, climate control, and real metal speaker grills. Even the floor mats are made from deep pile Maybach carpet. Small details like illuminated Maybach logos on the seatbacks, silver-plated control knobs, and optional wood inlays made from yacht-grade materials all remind you that this is not an ordinary Mercedes. This is the finest expression of craftsmanship the brand can offer. Now let's talk performance. Because the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL isn't just about looks and comfort, it's also a powerhouse. Under the hood lies a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with an electric mild hybrid system. Combined output? Around 800 horsepower, depending on the variant. This incredible power allows the Mythos SL to sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just around 3.5 seconds. Astonishing for a car that's primarily focused on luxury. The 9-speed automatic transmission delivers buttery smooth gear changes, while the 4MATIC plus all-wheel drive system ensures that all this power is delivered precisely and confidently to the road. The ride quality is unmatched thanks to the active suspension system with road scanning technology. Cameras detect bumps and imperfections ahead of time, adjusting the suspension before you even feel them. This results in a ride that's both silky smooth and incredibly composed. Whether you're gliding down a coastal highway or carving through mountain roads, the Mythos SL offers an experience that is equally thrilling and relaxing. Steering feedback is precise yet effortless, and the sound insulation ensures near-silent travel even at high speeds. Driving modes allow you to choose between comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and Maybach modes, each transforming the car's personality. In Maybach mode, the throttle response softens, gear shifts become nearly imperceptible, and the